Okay, you're on.
Ready? Hi, I'm Johnny with Happy Valley Ranch. Today we'll be swapping out the cracking cup on our Kinetic Kracker. First thing you'll do, you'll remove the guard, which it just pulls right up. This thing will turn backwards, like you see here. I suggest you use a Phillips screwdriver, manual, and not a cordless or one on a drill. You'll see a screw right here. Remove it. There'll be a little screw and a little washer. Remove it. You can push the firing cylinder back. Your cracking cup will slide right out. On the back of these cracking cups, we supply with white washers. You can add up to 5. It'll make the cracking softer. The more washers you add to it, the softer the crack is. We supply you with 5 of them. They just slide on and slide off. Also, we will supply you with a new O-ring that's on the back of your cracking cup. Always inspect it. You'll see sometimes they might be a little torn. Plus, we will supply you with the new catch. They will come right on and off, just like this. Okay, we got all of that done. This is the new one. It comes pre-assembled. All you have to do is pull your cylinder back, your firing cylinder, slide it right back in the same hole. Your holes are already here that we took these screws and a little washer out of. It's got the rubber catch has a pre-drilled hole in it. Screw it right back down, and you have replaced your cracking cup on your Kinetic Kracker. You do exactly this if you want a softer crack. You will add these white washers. We also send you some black rubber ones to use. They're about the same as the white ones, but they're just a little softer. And we send a new O-ring that goes on the back of the cracking cup, plus new catches that go on the cracking cup should you tear one. And that's how you swap out the cracking cup. Crack some pecans now.